Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am sharing with you a very healthy salmon in tomato sauce that takes a few minutes of prep and ready in less than 30 minutes. So stay tuned for the recipe. If you're new to my channel, press on the like button, share my videos and don't forget to subscribe, it's free. And a big thank you to all my subscribers for your nice comments, your like and your support. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the ingredients you will need 4 salmon fillets or any fish of your choice, 150 grams of prawns cut in cubes, 1 red pepper cut in cubes, 1 big onion cut in cubes, 4 tomatoes cut in cubes, 150 grams of fresh or frozen spinach, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh basil or 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of butter, 60 ml of vegetable stock, sunflower oil, salt to your liking, black pepper to your liking, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of red hot pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you don't have the Italian seasoning, use the herbe de Provence. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil to a pan on low heat. Then add the salmon fillets, skin on. Add the salt, the black pepper, the red hot chili flakes, the smoked paprika, and the Italian seasoning. Then let it cook skin on for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn the fish on the other side, then cook the salmon for 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns light pink. When the fish is nearly cooked, turn on the side for half a minute. Then remove from the pan and set aside. Add the butter to the pan and let it melt. Then add the onions and stir. Add the red pepper and stir. Then cover and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, uncover and stir a little bit. Then add the garlic and stir. Add the tomatoes, stir. Then cover and let it cook for 10 minutes or until soft. When the tomatoes are cooked, stir a little. Then add the vegetable stock. Add the chopped basil, the salt to your liking, the black pepper to your liking, the paprika, and the Italian seasoning, and stir everything. Add 5 teaspoons of tomato passata and 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Then stir well to combine all the ingredients. Add the prawns, the spinach, and stir well. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, uncover and stir the sauce. Remove the skin from the salmon. Then add the salmon to the sauce. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover and let the sauce evaporate a little to become thicker. Et voila, our delicious meal is ready. This salmon is healthy, easy, and makes the perfect meal in less than 30 minutes. You can serve it with bread or rice and a side vegetable like I did. Now it's your turn to make it. Bon appétit! If you like the video, like and share with your family and friends. And before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time with a new recipe.